Okay. Mohammed Saqib, Savio Joseph. They did not write their IDs. They must write their IDs. Then they will be allowed to enter into the class. Otherwise, they will not be allowed. Okay. So you are doing this. Okay. So we are doing this one. We are finding Abdullah Qasim. Okay. So first we find dy. dy is a determinant of y in which the coefficients of y are replaced by the constants 12, 20, 0. The remaining two columns are as it is. These are the coefficients of x. These are the coefficient of z. Coefficient of x and coefficient of z are as it is. Only the coefficient of y are replaced by the constant. Then we will evaluate this. The answer will become 120. The answer of dy will become 120. Now y will become dy upon d. Y is dy upon d. So dy is 120 and d was 24. 120 upon 24, the answer is 5. So y is equal to 5. Before that, we found x, the value of x was 7, and here the value of y is 5. Abdul Rahman. Okay. Now we will find deep z. Again, in the determinant d, the coefficients of z are replaced by the constant. We will find dz. In the determinant, the coefficient of z are replaced by constants. The remaining two coefficients are as it is 1, 2, 6, 1, 5, 3. The coefficient of z, there was 0, 2, and 6. They are replaced by the constant 12, 20, 0. and we will find the value, we will evaluate them. It will become, again we will rewrite 1 1 12, 1 1 12, 2 5 20, 2 5 20, 6 3 0, 6 3 0. So only the last column is removed. Primary diagonal, 1 into 5 into 0 will be 0, plus 1 into 20 into 6 will be 120, plus 12 into 2 into 6 will be 3 2s are 6, 6 12s are 72, minus the secondary diagonal, 1 into 2 into 0 will be 0, plus 1 into 2 into 3 will be 60, plus 12 into 5 into 6, 360, 30 12 360. The answer will become 120 plus 72 will be 192, minus 360 plus 60, 420. 192 minus 420. 192 minus 420. 228, I think so. The answer is 228. So it will become 228. Minus 228. Now we will find the value of z. Z will become dz upon d. Dz is minus 228 divided by 24. D is 24. The answer will become 8. 8 4 are 32. What will be the answer? 220 upon 24.
That is minus 9.5.
9.5. Minus 9.5 is the answer of Z. The answer of Z is minus 9.5. Now push back. Push back. Okay. So the answer of Z is minus 9.5. How to write the answer? We have found all the three values of X, Y, and Z. So answer will be written in this way. We will make the matrix of the coefficient X, X, Y, Z, matrix form, not the determinant, is equal to the answer. The answer of X is 7, Y was 5, Z is minus 9.5. Z is minus 9.5. In this way, we will write the answer in the matrix form. Here is the matrix of the variables X, yz equal to the answer. The value of x was 7, the value of y 5, value of z is minus 9.5. This is the way to write the answers. Okay, this is in this way. This is called the Cramer's rule. We solve this system of linear equation by using the Cramer's rule. So that was question number 2, A part. Now we'll do another part, another question, question number 3 of the same exercise. Question number 3. Question number 3 of the same exercise. Three x plus 4y minus 9z. 3x plus 4y minus 9z is equal to minus 2. Six x plus 15y minus 21. Minus 21 equal to 0. 5x plus 4y minus 9 equal to 0. Here you can see the first equation 3x plus 4y minus 9 equal to minus 2. This is in the standard form because all the variables on the left side and constant on the right side. This is in standard form. But in other two, 6x plus 15y minus 21 equal to 0. So variable and the constants all are on the left side. So we have to convert into the standard form. We will convert into the standard form. How much? We will convert into the standard form. So that will, how to convert into the standard form? It will become, we will rewrite over there. The first one, is 3x plus 4y minus 9z equal to minus 2 in the standard form. The second one, it will become minus 21 will be shifted on that side so that the constant will be on the right side. So 6x plus 15y equal to 21. The third one here, 9 minus 9 also shifted on the right side. So 5x plus 4y is equal to 9. So now all the three are in the standard form. All the three are in the standard form. So these equations will be used instead of this one. So I am removing them. First we'll make A. The matrix A will become, the coefficient of X is 3, 6, 5. Second column, coefficients of Y, 4, 15 and 4. Z है. This is 15Z. Okay. The second column, the coefficient of Y, 4. There is no Y, 0. And there is 4. The third column, coefficient of Z, minus 9, 15. And 0. There is no Z in the last. This is the coefficient of matrix of the coefficient of X, Y, and Z. Now the X matrix of the variables. What is that? X, Y, Z. And the third one, the matrix of the constants. Minus 2, 21, 9. Minus 2, 21, 9. This is the matrix of the constants. So the matrix equation will become AX is equal to B. Matrix of the coefficient into the matrix of the variable is equal to the matrix of the constant. AX is equal to B. Now we will find the determinant D. D is equal to this matrix. This matrix will be converted into the determinant D. This matrix 3, 6, 5, 4, 0, 6, 4, minus 9, 15, 0. Determinant. Remember, determinant can be evaluated, but matrices cannot be evaluated. हमने इसको evaluate करना है तो उसको determinant में convert करना पड़ेगा. Determinant क्या होगा? It should be the square and it should be enclosed in the vertical lines, not the brackets, not the squares. Vertical lines में enclose किया जाए तो इसको evaluate कर सकते हैं. अगर ये आपने नहीं किया तो फिर आपने इसको इवेल्युएट कर दिया डिटरमिनेंट लिख के तो वो गलत हो जाएगा टोटली. डिटरमिनेंट कैन नेवर बी इवेल्युएटेड. ओके, हम इसको सॉल्व करते हैं, इवेल्युएट करते हैं. क्या कर लेते हैं हम इसको, क्या हो जाएगा? पहले हम इसको एज इट इज लिख देंगे. 3, 6, 5, 4, 0, 4, minus 9, 15, 0. फिर इसको एज इट इज लिख देंगे. 3, 6, 5, 4, 0, 4 and minus 9, 15, 0. और लास्ट वाले को हम मिटा देंगे. ये ना लिखें तो मिटाने की जरूरत नहीं रहेगी. तो क्या हो जाएगा? ये B will become 3 into 0 into 0 will be 0 plus 4 into 5 into 5, 4 into 15 into 5, 20, 300 minus 9 into 6 into 4, 4 into 6 will be 24, 24 into 9, 240. 216 minus 216, ये माइनस है एक साइन, माइनस इंटू प्लस विल बी माइनस, माइनस इंटू प्लस विल बी माइनस, ये प्राइमरी डायगोनल का प्रोडक्ट आ गया, माइनस द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द सेकेंडरी डायगोनल, 4 into 6 into 0 will be 0, plus 3 into 5 into 4, so 45 180, plus minus 9 into 0 into 5 will be 0, क्या हो जाएगा 300 minus 216, 84, minus 180, it will become minus 96. The answer is minus 96. 84 minus 180 will be equal to minus 96. Sayyid Hamza. माइनस 96, ये हमारे पास डी का आंसर आ गया. इट शुड नॉट बी इक्वल टू 0, तो ये 0 नहीं है, तो वी कैन फर्दर प्रोसेस इट. If it is non-zero, we will further process it. If it is 0, the value of D is 0, so we will not further process it. We will just write impossible, not possible, solution is not possible, solution is not possible if D becomes 0. If D becomes 0, then solution is not possible. Okay, now we will find dx, dy and dz. First we will find dy, dx. Dx is a determinant in which the coefficients of x are replaced by the constants. Coefficients of x are replaced by the constants. तो इसमें coefficient of x ये थे, इसको constant से replace कर देंगे -2 21 9 से, इसको coefficients of x को -2 21 and 9. The remaining two columns remain as it is. The other two columns remain as it is. Solve कर लेंगे इसको with the same method. -2 21 9, 4 0 4, -9 15 0, -2 21 9, 4 0 4. लास्ट कॉलम को हम छोड़ देंगे, ये लास्ट कॉलम जो है इसको एक दफा लिखेंगे, दोबारा नहीं लिखेंगे, बाकी सब कॉलम रिपीट होंगे. ओके, नाउ इट विल बिकम -2 into 0 into 0 will be 0, plus 4 into 15 into 9, 4 into 15 will be 60, 60 into 9 540. Then -9 into 4 into 21, -9 into 21 will be -189, -189 into 4, -189 into 4 What will be the answer? Minus 189 into 4. जी, कौन बताएगा? कोई नहीं बता पा रहा. Okay. Minus 189 will be 4 into 4 will be equal to 800 minus 40, 760 minus 4, 756. Minus, because this is minus, minus plus minus, minus 756. This is the product of the primary diagonals. Minus product of secondary diagonals. 4 into 21 into 0 will be 0. Minus 2 into 15 into 4. Minus 30 into 4 minus 120. Then minus 9 into 0 into 9 will be 0. It will become 540 minus 756.
Minus 216.
Minus 216. Good. This minus into minus 120 will be plus 120. जी क्या आंसर आया? minus 96 I think.
Minus 96.
This is the value of dx. This is the value of dx. Minus 96 is the value of dx. So x will become dx upon d. X will become dx upon d. तो dx हमारे पास minus 96 है और d भी minus 96 है. आंसर इज 1. तो x की वैल्यू हमारे पास 1 आ गई भाई. So first we converted into the matrix equation. Ax plus b equal to 0. A is the matrix of the coefficients. Matrix of the coefficient क्या होगा? X के coefficient 365 first column. Second the second column the coefficient of y 4. There is no y, 0, and there is 4. 404. Now the third column coefficient of z minus 9, 15, and there is 0. There is no z. Minus 9, 15, and 0. Then x coefficients of constants, variables. X is the matrix of the variable, that is x, y, z. Then b is the matrix of the constants. Constants are minus 2, 21, and 9. Minus 2, 21, 9. Remember this x and b, the matrix of the variables and the matrix of the constants are the column matrices. They both are the column matrices. The column matrix है. So it means a into x is equal to b. अब a को हम डिटर्मिनेंट में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. द मैट्रिक्स a which is the coefficient matrix of the coefficient is converted into the determinant. Because this 3 by 3 it can be converted into the determinant to evaluate. Matrix cannot be evaluated. Only the determinant can be evaluated. So we must convert into D. D is the determinant of the matrix A. ये इसको A को D, A will be written as D, and the brackets are removed and converted into the lines, vertical lines. A will become D, and these are removed the brackets and it is converted into the vertical lines. So ये determinant हो गया. Now it is determinant D. We can evaluate it. So we evaluated this. The answer will become minus 96. This is the value of D. After that, we will find the dx. We made a determinant dx. Dx is a determinant in which the coefficients of x are replaced by the constants. The coefficients of x 369 are replaced by the constants minus 2, 21, and 9. The remaining two columns are as it is. only the coefficients of x are replaced by the constants. The remaining two columns are as it is. This is dx. This is dx. Now we solved it and found the value of dx is equal to minus 96. Dx is equal to minus 96. Then x will be equal to dx upon d. Minus 96 upon minus 96. D is minus 96. Dx is also minus 96. Both are divided. The answer is 1. So x will become 1. X will become 1. In the same way, we will find the value of y and the value of z. So first we find dz. D is minus 96. Now we will find dy. Dy is a determinant in which the coefficients of y are replaced by the constants. Coefficient of y 404 are replaced by the constant, the remaining two columns as it is. They will be written as it is 365 and 404 are the coefficients of y. So they are replaced by the constants minus 2, 21, 9. The third column also remain as it is. This is dy. Now we will evaluate 3, 6, 5 minus 2, 21, 9 minus 9, 15, 0, 3, 6, 5 minus 2, 21, 9. Okay. Divide. 3 into 21 into 0 will be 0. Plus minus 2 into 15 into 5 will be minus 150. So it will become minus 150. Minus 9 into 6 into 9. So it will become again minus 9 into 9, 81. 81 into 6. 6 ones are 6. 6 minus 486. Now minus the product of the secondary diagonal. Minus 2 into 6 into 0 will be 0. Plus 3 into 15 into 9. 3 into 15 into 9. 3
270. 70.
270. नहीं भाई
Yes, sir.
270 कहाँ से हो गया? 3 into 5, 3 into 15 will be 45. 45 into 9.
45. 405.
405. That's right. 405. Now the last one, minus 9 into 21 into 5.
Minus 945.
Minus 945.
945.
945. Okay, thank you. 105. Now simplify them. It will become minus 150 minus 486. 200.
636.
G?
636.
636 minus 636. Okay. 405 minus 945. So 500 minus 540, I think.
540, sir. Minus 540.
540.